shut off the pump to, you know, if you need to turn it off for an extended period of time, or to backwash or do anything with the equipment or anything with the pool for that matter, you'll come to the IntelliCenter. You can't do this from the app. This has to be done from the IntelliCenter. Touch the screen and there's settings. Hit settings. And the very first option you get is service mode. So press service mode. And you have auto, service, and timeout on here. You just press service. So what that does is it just shuts everything down for service. It's their generic term. So you can do whatever you need to at this time on the equipment, and it will not turn on again until you come and hit the auto button and turn it all back on. So there are ways you can manually turn on one thing at a time if you want to. Typically, you don't really have to worry about that. So if you wanted to say, let's say we needed to backwash right now, sand filter, we'd go over to the sand filter. I've got the line plumbed in, runs out into the yard somewhere, but if they have the blue hose we supply, we build the pool, run out their blue hose into the yard wherever it goes. You'll take the handle here. This is your little indicator, it's on filter. You just push down, turn it to backwash. Come back over here. This is the easiest way to do it. There's a couple ways to do that, but this is the easiest way to do it. Hit auto. The pump will kick on and it's going to backwash. So now that we're backwashing, you want to watch this little bubble. It'll probably start to run dirty. So it's getting a little cloudy. And you run it on backwash until this runs as clear as it's possibly going to run. Come over, hit service again. And when you're done backwashing, you want to rinse the filter. Rinse just kind of gives you a rinse across the media, settles it all back down. So you'll come back, hit the handle over to the rinse position, and then hit your auto button again. This only takes a few seconds. Service button again, that turns it off, and then go back to filter.